Quick one. Let's talk about integers. Good. What are integers? We have done natural numbers in the previous video, whole numbers in the previous video. Now, we will need those ones to define this because integers is a set that contains both of them. Good. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers, including 0. Simple, very clear. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers, including 0. Including 0. Good. So you can see, I don't like to stress students. This definition is easy to memorize, to know. It's easy to remember. Always go back to it, and if you forget anything, revise it. So integers are positive and negative whole numbers, including 0. You remember that we said whole numbers are natural numbers, including 0. So now, what are whole numbers? Let me write them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now, we said these are the positive one. What about the negative one? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. Good. But we now said including 0. So we need to add 0 to it. Let's combine this, all of this in one. Of course, -5 is less than -4. This is less than -3. This is less than -2, less than -1. 0 is less than, so -1 is less than 0. So let's rearrange it the normal way. So it means you can see that this set is coming from where we don't know. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So this set is coming from where we don't know, and it ends at where we don't know. This is also an infinite set. Infinite set. That is a set that does not have end. It doesn't have beginning, it doesn't have end. Unlike natural numbers and whole numbers that have beginning, but they don't have end. This one has no beginning and no end. Now, there is a symbol to indicate integers. The symbol to indicate the set of integers is capital letter Z, like this. But we always put this stroke in it. So we use capital letter Z to represent integers. Now, another thing that you need to know, okay, let me just say Z is equal to, I will now put a set bracket, curly bracket, to indicate that this is a set. So you can see I have contained it in a curly bracket. See this dot 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 indicates continuity. So we call it suspension point, like I said in the previous video. This is also suspension point. So this bracket is called curly bracket. We have met with it like 3 times now. Now, look at this set. It contains some parts which are negative and some parts which are positive, and this is 0. So this is the set of integers. So far, you don't have anything like decimal points or fraction in it. All of these are whole numbers. So, but because we have some that are positive, so those positive ones are known as integers, positive integers. So I can contain those ones in one bracket. These are positive integers, call them Z plus. Then the negative integers, those are Z minus. We can put them in another bracket. Let's separate them. So, but 0 is standing on its own in another set. So it means, in a simple way, instead of writing the whole of this, I can write the set of integers like this. I just say the set of integers Z equal to Z minus, which is the negative integers, union a set containing 0, union a set containing positive integer. So we have the negative ones, we have 0, and we have the positive one. The negative ones are here. We have the 0 in the middle, and we have the positive one. Those positive ones, you remember that we said they are natural numbers. So positive integers are also known as natural numbers. Now, another thing that I need to tell you here. Okay, let me ask you this. 0. this zero that you have here. The question is 0 a positive number or a negative number? Answer the question. Okay, 0 is none of the two. You are good. 0 is neutral. It is neither positive nor negative. So 0 is not positive and it is not negative. It is in the middle of the set of integers or even the set of real numbers generally. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.